Wait, it's starting now? I gotta fix it now! Come on, turn, you piece of net!
In the world of hypercars, some secrets are only revealed to the bold. But what you're about to witness today wasn't anticipated even by the craziest among them. This isn't just a wrecked Porsche. This is a story about something far deeper, something that might change everything you thought you knew about the luxury car industry. Are you ready for the truth? Welcome back. Today we're watching a high-stakes challenge from Matt Armstrong. This guy just bought the cheapest 2022 Porsche 911 GT3 in the world from a Copart auction. The goal? Rebuild it in just 24 hours. Imagine a car that costs over $200,000, brand new, bought wrecked, and he's trying to get it back on the road in a single day. Is this ambition or just pure madness? The front end is a mess, the radiators are toast, and the clock is ticking. Let's see how they handle the pressure. The auction moment was pure stress. At first they thought they lost the bid, but luck was on their side. The first technical hurdle, center lock wheels. Look, these aren't your typical 5-lug wheels. It's one massive nut in the center that requires an insane 450 Newton meters of torque. Matt's dad, as always, adds that perfect comedic touch, especially when he accidentally dropped a screw inside the door panel. Seriously, guys, who here has a dad with that much patience? If I dropped a screw inside a door panel, my dad would have kicked me out of the garage immediately. Tell me your funniest fixing things with dad stories in the comments. Before we continue, Matt is now ordering a new hood from the dealership. How much do you think it will cost? Write your guesses in the comments. 3,000, 5,000. Get ready for the shock. The price is 11,000 British pounds. That's about $14,000. Guys, $14,000 for just an engine cover? That amount could buy you a clean used Toyota Camry or 10 top-of-the-line MacBook Pros, or even cover the expenses of a royal vacation for a whole month. Imagine paying that amount and getting the wrong color, white instead of carbon fiber. Absolutely infuriating. Working under 24-hour pressure allowed the team to be creative. They decided to completely wrap the car in satin black. This visual change concealed all traces of the accident. Here comes the difficult question. If you had the budget, would you risk buying a salvage car and fixing it in 24 hours? Or do you feel that the matter involves a great risk to safety? I personally am afraid of hidden chassis defects, but Matt's work always impresses me with its precision. Working under a 24-hour deadline really brought out the team's creativity. They decided to wrap the whole car in satin black and add some carbon fiber mirror caps. This visual overhaul completely hid the scars of the accident. My critique: is the car actually safe? Building a car in 24 hours means you might overlook tiny details in the chassis or suspension, but Matt always proves his team is professional and knows exactly where to focus. The final result is stunning. The car looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. In the end, Matt proved that the impossible is possible if you have the right team, the budget, and enough crazy in you. A Porsche 911 GT3 back to life in just one day. Let me know what you think. Would you ever buy a wrecked car and try to fix it yourself if you had the tools? Or do you prefer buying them ready to go? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next challenge.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell for the next reaction. Share your thoughts on whether these projects are just media spectacle or genuine engineering prowess. Peace.